Hey, if you're using tools like Cursor, Windsurf or Claude for coding, then you've probably seen the good and the bad. My name is Illia, and today I'm sharing 6 practical tips that will boost your workflow, from brainstorming to debugging. So let's get into it. First up, don't just jump in and say, build a backend for me. That's like asking someone to cook a meal for you without knowing them what you want to eat. I use Ask mode in Cursor to brainstorm first before jumping into code. It's like sketching before painting. Helps your agent help you. Tip number 2 is to keep your threads focused. So don't confuse your agent with unrelated stuff in one thread. The following understanding actually helps me to stick to this practice. So you've got the agent, for example, Cursor, and you've got an LLM. So the LLM is the brain, but it kinda doesn't have memory out of the box. So each time you submit a message, the agent tries its best to gather the whole relevant context and submits it to the LLM. So LLM kinda sees each message, the whole context that was sent by the agent for the first time. You can also think of it the model has ADHD. If you start asking about database migrations in the middle of designing a web page, it's gonna lose the plot. So new topic, new thread. It's gonna save your time. The next tip is modularity. When you ask your agent to write code for you, just guide it towards modularity. So just simply adding break it into modules and small functions at the end of your prompt will make things better. The next one is versioning. This one is underrated. If you are trying a new approach, don't just fight the old code. Ask it to write a new function or a new module, and after it's ready, just switch the client code to use that function. Now you can test it, and if it doesn't work, you just have a choice to go back. Tip number 5 is to commit often. Look, when it's just you might get lazy with versioning control, but with AI it may become chaotic fast. So this is your safety net if something doesn't work, and something will break eventually. With Cursor, it's not that strict because it has that checkpoint in functionality, so you can always go back to a previous checkpoint. But with other agents, it's super useful. Your future you will thank you, or at least will curse you less. Tip number 6, chunk smartly. Don't ask your agent to rewrite your whole app unless you feel brave or bored. Use small prompts for precise things. Change this function or make this function async. This is what you want. On the other hand, you can use big prompts for project scaffolding. So balance is the key here. More precision, better results. Those are my 6 go-to tips to work smarter with Cursor, Windsurf or Claude. And if you've got your own tips, drop them in the comments below. I will read everyone. Thank you so much.